want you to hear yourself. Does it feel different in your body when you go like this and when you go like that? Yeah? What do you feel? See? There's no language for it. So we have to find a way of capturing this somehow. How do we do it?
I can distinguish when it sounds wrong. Right. It's the feeling of the arm rather than the actual sound.
Yeah. So if you stop it for a second, what I'm suggesting perhaps is that we need to understand that yes, there are some sounds that are extremely separate from our bodies, yeah? That are like the sound of the train. We're running for that sound. And we hear all sorts of, but we're still part of the soundscape. If, let's say, we're running for the train, you might also have that heart-beating experience in your body that you are witnessing and embodying and hearing and sensing while you're listening to that. But when we're consuming it on a digital repository, usually at our computer desk, it's a very separate sound, yeah? So somehow, if the study of sonic experience is to try to find a way of capturing the tremendous embeddedness of sound within all of these other sensory experiences and environments, then we have to try to capture this problem, even though I don't know how. And I'd be happy to talk to people later about ways to do that. So I better not take up more time, but anybody else who wants to come and slap a mat, we'll practice it later. And I've been to now, oh yeah?